Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I'm decorating and planning with you my August currently page in my wellness planner, and we'll have a little bit of a wellness chat. Health and wellness chat is what I thought we'd go on today. So firstly, what I want to say is, it bugs me when they do this. This white bit here, what is that about? What is that about, friends? Like, at least put dots on it so it matches this. This is from the same planner. Like, I just can't even. I can't even. Just, yeah, anyway. What I thought was, I had two things that I was going to do. Hang on, I've got sticky notes somewhere. No, that's from the other thing. Where's my sticky notes? These are the things that I need to do. I need a cheat day. And we're going to talk about this. I'm going to use two things. Either Squad Life or Love Every Season. I'm kind of going towards Squad Life because I feel the colours match more. The colours match more. Not that blue, but I think it kind of does. I feel like the colours match more. This peachy colour matches more. Colour of the year and all of that. But I think this. We're going with this. Never mind, carry on. All right, that's the plan. I quickly want to go over how I've been using my wellness planner currently, my currently page. So for the monthly, I just usually put in the workout, rest day, highlight of the day is what I will say. This here, this bit, I use for priorities. Like, I need to do a mani, I need to do a pedi, and then two goals, like one of them was to increase my leg extension at the gym. I did that and then got an injury. So we're taking a step back. What I want to do is this. So if you have a Garmin or you have, I don't know, your own watch tracker type things, they usually do challenges, and Garmin does theirs. They have these challenges, and as you scroll down, you can see that there is walking, biking, yoga. So walking and biking I can do. Active, that is 20 minutes for 20 different days. Swim is 4,000 meters. I can do that. Steps, yes. Strength is 4 hours. I can do that. 4 hours of swim. I can do that. And walking 15 hours. Okay, I can do that. So there's a few that, weekend walking, 3-mile walk, I can do that weekend, yes. So I kind of wanted to do some of these challenges. That's what I thought. And that's what I've been kind of pushing myself to do. So let's get a piece of this. Because I have this, I'm thinking of putting boxes here for something, highlights or something like that, and then putting the to-do list here, because do I have bullets now that I've said that? Yes, I've got bullets. I've got these bullets. So I think that's the plan. I don't think I'm going to overly decorate this because that says today. Of course they do. They all say bloody today on them. I love this. I just don't know that I need anything that big. These are kind of annoying. But yeah, that is kind of the plan. What I also might do, sorry, I just got the divider. I might decorate some stuff on the divider as well. Like, I'm feeling like making a little scene. Oh, I'm gonna off the page. Feeling like making a little scene here. Feeling like that. Let me do a little something at the bottom of there. And then we can bring in some gold, because with the gold. Don't want that one, I think that. Sure. Yeah, I think we'll do that. And then what I think we'll do is bring her up here, just to bring in some of that colour and the gold again. Let's put the tree in as well, because why not? Let's put a tree in somewhere. Kind of annoying that that is way smaller than what she is. It's a very small palm tree. We're just going to go with it. It's fine. But yeah, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. I think that might be it. That's my 3 girls. I kind of like one of these but firsts. I'll bring that colour in. I'm just going to put that up there. I might cut the butt first off. Why not? And then, what do they do with the bullets? And then, oh, look this big box. Do I want to just change that to that? Maybe? Put there. Oh, there. No, I can put it there. Let's put that there. That's kind of the same as that, but we're going to go with it. And then we put bullets here. Yeah, we're done. Okay, great. I'm glad we had this chat. I think I'm going to take the butt first off of that. Or I'll put first on, but not the butt. Not the butt. Why not? So, as I said, I've been dealing with an injury. I've had plantar fasciitis for a while. And those of you who are new here, I actually broke my kneecap last year. But I've been dealing with plantar fasciitis in my right foot pretty much since I started the recovery for the broken kneecap. And then, my friends, hang on. I just want to put that there and line it up. And then on Monday, not last week, the week before, was it? Yes. I don't know. I have this thing, old injury, that because I am quite bendy and I have a lot of laxicity in my joints, I am terrible for hyperextending my knees. And I did that Monday, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. Let's say 2 weeks ago, because I've got no concept of time anymore. And I hyperextended my knee, and it was very, very painful for days. And then I'm very wary now of when I go back to the gym of not overdoing it. So I'm trying to do things and not push it too much, is what I will say. Not push it too much, because I am very prone to doing that. I'm going to put that on the bottom. It's not where it was going, it's going there now. I'll cut the edge off there. There's a tiniest little bit there. Oh God, hang on. I'm struggling. So yeah, I'm dealing with a couple of injuries. So I'm just trying to not push myself too much, which is hard. It's hard not to do that. It's hard not to push myself. So I think want some kind of strip. Oh, there was those. Shall we use those? Yes, use those. Tweezers. Yeah, it's hard not to push myself to the point that I injure myself, or re-injure myself, should I say. But yeah, that's going there. We can put challenges there. And then, oh, I know I need that. And then I think, actually, that is pretty much almost it. And I know this is going to be a very light plan with me. And then here, I'm going to put all of the challenges that I want. Top things, brain dump. Do I want different headers? Maybe let's put some different headers in. Priorities. To do or remember. Remember? Just want some of that colour up there. Remember. Really hate it when they do these bloody stupid shapes. Anybody else think those shapes are stupid? Stupid shapes. Stupid shapes. Stupid shapes. Let's put that there. Sure. Let's put that there, and then we'll put a blue to do in there. And then at least there's some continuity of that shape. and then something in here. In. I don't want to buy. It's either another remember or to buy. Or another to do. I'm tempted for this orange. Yeah, let's do the orange. Let's do the orange. Okay, at least that's got some continuity of that shape. All right, and then these little doodads. How many challenges is there going to be? Hang on. How many? I'm going to sign up for these now. Okay, we've got sleep challenge. I also want to do a couple that I've not done this. Oh yeah, let's just do them all. Let's just do them all. We'll do them in twos. Yes, that's it. I'm going to have this out just in case I want to put any other decoration on it, but I think that's it. I don't really like these, but I'm going to have to go with it for a bit. It's fine. It's fine. All right. I'm going to take a quick thumbnail photo and then I will be right back. All right, I'm going to quickly join these challenges. Oh. Okay, I think that's it. And then when I go to my challenges, you can see this. Oh, can you see this month's? I've done all of them except for the swim so far. But yeah, let's get those underway. I'm going to put those in here. Was there only one swim one this month? Weird, there's normally 2 swim ones. Did I just miss it? August swim, it's right there. August swim, 4,000. Swim, 4,000 meters. Okay, and we're in on that one. Okay. Bike, swim, run, run, bike, bike, run, bike, run. Okay, the rest I cannot do. The rest I cannot do. All right, so one of the other things I'm going to put is, and this is going to go in here in my habit tracker, I'm going to put in ice and roll foot and use thumper 5 to 10 mins day. Now thumper is, do I have it in here? No, it's in the other room. Thumper is one of those, you know, the hand massage gun things. The hand massage gun things. I can't think what the name is because hello menopause. But yeah, I need to use that. I need to ice my foot, and I need to use thumper on my knee, my IT band, and my quad every day. That is going to help a lot. That is going to be my tracker right here. Ice and thumper. That's what Reen and I call it. We call it thumper. Important. What I need a little dot or something. No, that's the wrong book. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. I'm going to use a little heart because why not? Check. Back to school. Swim. Schedule. Week commencing the 19th. Yeah, 19th. Okay. Then I'm going to put it in here. Take pics of the fitness equipment that I want to sell. And then let's put a peachy one in. I've got a peachy heart because, you know, there's nothing to put in there yet, but okay. And then from July, I think that is about it. Oh, sorry, the other challenges that I was doing. And then I need to pick one more. Friends. I'm just thinking. So these are my challenges. Yeah. I would like, you know what I need? Actually, you know, I do need it to buy. See? This is why I do need it to buy. I need to buy a face mask. I have not been doing my face mask things. Face mask for my self-care. Yes. We'll do a face mask. I think that's it. Not sure what I'm putting in here yet. But I think I want to put something in there. I'm going to put dance. Also, oh, I've just thought of something. Okay, I do have a goal. So if you've not been here, one of my goals for the end of September, I think I've put it in already. Yeah, I want to swim 1 mile. But to do that, I need to get to 1400 by the end of August. I'm at 1100. Where am I at? Swim. I'm at 1100. So 12, 13, 13, 14. Yeah, I should be able to get to 14 at least once by the end of August. Fingers crossed. But that is one of my goals. I want to swim 1 mile by the end of Q3. Okay, I think that's about it. So for this one, what I'm actually going to do is put in the VR headset stuff. And then I've got a little space there left there. That is my prep. So all I've done is I've put in the challenges that I want to do. Again, these will get checked off fairly quickly. Some of them, like the strength one, will get checked off pretty much after the first week. The swim will get checked off eventually. This swim will. I'm going to try and go swimming tonight. But yeah, I think that's about it. But yeah, let me know if you like this idea of using this for challenges and stuff like that. Like, again, if you have a Garmin, if you have a Fitbit, whatever it is that you're using, set yourself some challenges. Like 300,000 steps. That's like 10,000 steps a day. Great. If you do the gym, are you going to go twice a week? Are you going to go 3 times, 4 times? Don't say 7. 7 is too much. Are you going to go 3, 4 times a week? Like, figure out what your thing is, what you're going to do. Yeah, I think that's it. So that is my currently page set up, and I'm just sharing with you how I use it, because I think it's useful to some of you to see different ways of using things. Again, this has been an evolution in how I'm using it, because I'm using the app to track my workouts now. What I need here is an overview. I actually may put in something, and then I can put a little arrow, and how did that do? Add leg curl and extension back into my workouts. Hopefully without my knee deciding that it doesn't like it. If it doesn't like it, that's fine. We'll just do something else. But that is how I am using my currently in my wellness planner. The Garmin challenges, I can see them at a glance. I can check them off. Fantastic. What I need to buy, things that I need to do, also things that I need to do, but not as important as these. And then, yeah, and then my goal, overall step towards a bigger goal. Yeah, all right. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.